This video tutorial I will explain fill method of arrays class which accept object array and value. Here I have defined the class arrays demo. Here I have defined the object array. It has 4 integer objects. Then I am displaying the object array content. Then I am calling fill method of arrays class and passing object array and the value to be filled. What this fill method will do is it fill the object array content with the integer object 8. Then I am displaying the object array content, and here you can see the object array contents are filled with integer object 8. You can get Java source code link for each video in the description section of the video. Here you can see the description section. Click on show more, and here you can see the Java source code links. Click on these links to get the Java source code.